The iPhone 16 Pro is a sleek and sophisticated device that showcases Apple's commitment to design excellence. It features a premium titanium frame that exudes a sense of durability and luxury. The curved edges provide a comfortable grip, while the meticulously polished finish catches the light in mesmerizing ways. The device's 6.3-inch ProMotion XDR display is another highlight. With its adaptive refresh rate, it delivers buttery smooth scrolling and animations while conserving battery life. The 2000 nits peak brightness is simply astounding, ensuring vibrant visuals even in the most challenging lighting conditions. The colors are accurate and the contrast is exceptional, making everything from movies to games a truly immersive experience. The iPhone 16 Pro boasts Apple's blazing fast A18 Pro chip, the top dog in most performance tests. It delivers smooth console-quality graphics in games and cuts video editing times in half compared to its competitors. While not always dominating every benchmark, it surpasses the iPhone 15 Pro and even the Galaxy S24 Ultra in most areas. The iPhone 16 Pro has a new camera control button that allows you to quickly launch the camera and take photos or videos. It's a recessed capacitive switch that provides haptic feedback. You can also customize various camera settings using the button. The camera control button is a helpful addition to the iPhone 16 Pro, as it frees up the action button for other shortcuts. The iPhone 16 Pro boasts a powerful triple camera system on the back, consisting of a 48-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 12-megapixel telephoto camera. The main camera offers significantly improved low-light performance thanks to its larger sensor and advanced image processing. It also captures stunning detail and color accuracy, even in challenging lighting conditions. Photographic styles are now customizable in-app, allowing you to adjust mood and skin tones for your photos. You can record 4K videos at 120 frames per second that enabled smoother playback and dramatic slow-motion effects. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro's camera system offers a well-rounded performance with improvements in speed, detail, and customization options. The 16 Pro has a longer battery life than its predecessor, thanks to a larger battery and other improvements. It can last up to 14 hours on a single charge with continuous web surfing. However, it only supports 20-watt wired charging, which is slower than some competitors. The iPhone 16 Pro's MagSafe wireless charging has been improved to 25 watt. The iPhone 16 Pro is a great flagship phone, offering excellent cameras, a large yet manageable screen, and improved battery life. Compared to competitors like the Galaxy S24 Plus and Google Pixel 9 Pro, the iPhone 16 Pro has a better camera system and more powerful processor.